Day one of trying to crack an egg using the linkages found on this page of some textbook that I own. Now, before I go any further, I'm a bit of a dum-dum. I have no idea what I'm doing. I don't know how these things work. And the project's going to turn into a Rube Goldberg device. And just to prove that, I'm running around my workshop with a raw egg, which is stupid. I'll have to hard boil that for tomorrow. But if you guys see any improvements or errors, call me out, fire it in the comments. I'd appreciate that. What I'm going to be doing is using these parts here that are part of a building blocks project that I'm designing for my nieces and nephews so that they can learn how to build things. Anyway, the first step of trying to crack an egg, I guess, is move it into position. So there's this linkage, it's called a parallel motion linkage, I think, if I'm reading things right. And basically, if we pretend that this is the base here, these arms here move back and forth, and this is going to be parallel with the base. So I think that's a way to move the egg over a bowl. So let's try and build that. As I set things up, I figured I'd read the blurb and overlay that just in case it's of value out there. Anyway, parallel motion linkage can make objects or forces move in the same direction, but at the same distance apart. The moving and fixed pivots on the opposing links in the parallelogram must be equidistant for this linkage to work correctly. Technically classed as a 4-bar linkage, this linkage can also be rotated through 360 degrees without changing its function. I don't understand that point. If somebody can explain that in baby talk to me, I'd appreciate it. Pantographs that obtain power for electric trains from overhead cables are based on parallel motion linkages. Drawing pantographs that permit original drawings to be manually copied without tracing or copying are also adaptations of this linkage. In its simplest form, it can also keep tool trays in a horizontal position when toolbox covers are opened. Yay for Grandpa's tackle box and toolboxes. So today was just trying to move the egg to a destination, and I think we got that started, maybe not figured out, but definitely started. Look at that, guys. I think that's kind of beautiful. No kidding. Anyways, guys, that's it for me. Wishing you the very best. Take care.